Now, I'm dressed this way today for a reason because I've gotten so many questions from viewers like you that are stuck in a rut. Over the past 2 years, they've adopted this casual lifestyle of wearing sweats and now feel like they just don't know where to turn. Well, I'm going to show you how to get out of a fashion rut and how to stop wearing this every time you leave the house and what to do about it. Hello fashionista, I'm Nancy Queen and I'm here to help you build a wardrobe full of clothes you love so you love to get dressed every single day. This isn't just a problem that happens over what we've been experiencing being at home for the past 2 years. This is something that I find happens often to anyone who's going through some sort of life change. Maybe you were in the career world and now you're a stay-at-home mom, or maybe you had a career and now you're retired, or you've scaled things back and you're just working part-time, or you're just working from home instead of being in an office. That seems to be the biggest places I'm noticing a rut. If you feel like you're in a fashion rut, I'm going to show you how to get out of it. And it's not anything major. It's just little tweaks. What I find that happens is we're at home and we think, no one's going to see me. Who cares what I have on? So I'm just going to throw on this. But you know what? There's one person, the most important person, sees you every day, and that's the one that you really care about. And you know who that is? It's not your spouse, it's not your kids, it's not your neighbor, it's you. And when you see yourself in the mirror, if this is what you're seeing with no makeup on, hair pulled back, you're going to feel like crap. If you just do a few things to tweak yourself to feel good when you look in the mirror, it's going to do wonders for how you feel about yourself, how you go about your day, and what you can actually accomplish. About 5 years ago, my mom passed away, and my dad, not long after the funeral, came and stayed with me for about 7 months. And one thing I noticed from this wonderful man who was grieving the loss of his wife and retired from his job that really impressed me was every single day he got up, got showered, dressed in a button-down shirt, nice khaki pants, a coordinating belt and shoes. That always had to matter. Even if he was just sitting and watching TV or playing around on his iPad or going for a little walk around my neighborhood, he got dressed and represented every day. And to me, that was a really important thing to take away from my dad. That it doesn't matter who sees you, you're getting dressed for you. So here I am in my sweats, and just a few tweaks, you can still be comfortable, but you don't have to be dressed like this. So what I'm going to do is take off this sweatshirt. I'm just going to make a few small changes. Now, I'm still wearing a t-shirt and sweatpants, but I'm going to take off those slippers and put on a nice little gold flat sandal. I'm also going to add a nice jean jacket. I'm going to add some really cute earrings. I'm going to throw on a watch. And I'm going to add a cute printed scarf to really give my outfit some pop. And then finally, if I'm headed out the door, I'm going to grab a cute little bag to finish off my outfit. Now, how long did that take? And I'm going to put on just a tad of makeup. This is my entire makeup collection that I wear. That's it. It takes me less than 5 minutes. Probably more like 3 minutes, but just a little bit so that when I look in the mirror, I see a polished gal and I feel good. Now, this does not need to be some big transformation. I think a lot of us think I have to either be all dressed up or all just in sweats. It doesn't have to be that way. You can just do baby steps into it. So tomorrow, why don't you just get up, brush your teeth, do your hair, and add your favorite cosmetic, even if it's just lipstick or mascara. Just add one thing, and then the next day add 2 things. You don't have to do full hair and makeup like you're going to see the queen or going to the prom, but just do little tweaks here and there that help remind you of who you are, what you love about yourself, and take the time to give yourself the TLC that you need. Now you saw changing my outfit, even though I'm still super comfortable and in sweats, changing my outfit up, I can go out anywhere now. I could go to a nice restaurant and still I'm comfortable, but I feel like myself and I look polished. I look like I'm here to represent and feel pulled together when I go out in public. And I don't know about you, but when I look not so good and I head outside, whether it's to the grocery store or to fast food, those are the times I run into a neighbor that I might not want to see, or I run into a coworker or an ex-boyfriend, and I'm not representing. So just do those little tweaks to get yourself out of it. And if you feel like you've adopted just all neutrals in your wardrobe or nothing with any excitement, add a little pop of color here and there, whether it's just with a scarf or a cute bag, lipstick, or some cute earrings. Just a little bit here and there that you start reintroducing and warming yourself up again to who you are and what you love about getting dressed and putting yourself out there, even if it's just to yourself. Give this a try. I know it's going to make a difference in your life, and I'll see you in the next video.